Hello everyone, welcome back to the Meekfro channel. You are watching youtube.com/Meekfro. Today we have a subscription box that we are going to open up. So this video is brought to you by Rwpp, Rose War Panty Power. This is a subscription box, you guys. Super excited to open it up and show you guys what's in here. I heard lots of great stuff is in here, so let's get to unboxing. And I'm also going to tell you guys some little background information on this company and this product. So this is the November box. That's a card there telling you what month it is. November, full of joy. And on the inside of the card, it tells you, I guess, what's in your subscription box, okay? Each box will have products that value up to at least $70, okay? Rwpp wants to make sure you get the bang for your buck, okay? So let's open this up and see what we have in here. First, the first thing I lay my eyes on, you guys, is one of their period products, okay? They give you 15 period products all together to cater to your period. You are a genius. That's cute. Down there wipes. It's basically like rose water wipes, okay? Then I saw a lifestyle product that they include in the box. You do either get like 3 to 5 lifestyle beauty skincare type products in your box. This is a clay mask here. Interesting. I've never tried a clay mask before. I've tried a charcoal, but not clay mask. So this should be fun to try out. Super excited about it. I noticed a lot of these products have like natural ingredients. So I was hype about that. This is a exfoliating cleanser. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. It's like a brown sugar scrub, basically. Some treats in here, y'all. Rwpp do partner up with companies who strive to bring you a unique, handcrafted, and fun way of receiving your products. So your box will be unique and just for you. You'll never know like what you actually get, home gifts or whatever. This is like some gel liner right here. Interesting. And then guys, my favorite part I have been waiting for, the pads, organic tampons and organic pads. Let's talk about this. So basically you could choose all pads, all tampons, or a good mix of organic pads and organic tampons. Their period products range from size small to XXL. They are 100% eco-friendly products, not cause any like allergy or irritation when it comes in touch with the human skin. And you know, their pads and tampons are said to be more absorbent than most. And another one of my favorite parts of the box, you will like receive 2 pairs of underwear. Oh my gosh. You can either choose all thongs or all panties or a mix, okay? I got a thong and a panty. Keep in mind also with these, the sizes are from small to XXXL also. Yay. Let's say you don't want the period products in your subscription box. You can opt out of the period products and ask for additional gifts. This is also known as a menopause box. Guys, right here, I am just looking on their website. This is the mobile website. I'm on my phone just kind of showing you guys that their website do work pretty well on the phone. Y'all, they also have a boutique section if you're like not interested in their boxes. They have clothes on here that I thought were so cute. Rwpp's goal is to make everyone feel special. They try to curate their boxes like a monthly birthday gift. Check the description box below for the link. They try to make your worst day your best day. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye.